How to hide or unhide followers list in the Rednote app. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be guiding you through on how you can hide or unhide your followers list in Rednote application. So let's just go ahead and look out on how we can do that. So first of all, go ahead and launch your Rednote application on your device, and after you're logged in, you can go ahead and tap on this Me tab at the bottom right corner of your screen. So when you reach over here in the space, you can go ahead and tap on this gear icon, which is beside the profile. Just tap on it and you will be taken to the space. So under here, you're going to look up for the option called privacy settings, which is usually on the fourth right here, and you will be taken to the space again. So here, you're going to go and scroll down a bit until you are able to find relationship section, where you will be finding following and follower list. So just go ahead and tap on it. And here you will be finding this option called hide my follower list with the toggle option. So if you want to hide your follower list, you can go ahead and enable this option. But if you don't want to hide it, you can go ahead and disable this option and your follower list will be unhidden again. So therefore, that is super easy and straightforward process. Follow the same process in order to hide or unhide your follower list as well. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.